Good afternoon. Today's video, we're gonna get straight into it, and I'm trying not to make it too long, but we have a long-awaited luxury wish list item that arrived. Actually arrived like 5 days ago, and it went to the post office, so it just took me a few days to go get there. But yeah, it is this Prada, I think it's called Calzature, I don't know, Calzature, okay, I'll put the name up. It basically is these crystal heels in the pink, or they call it the rosa. Just take a moment to have a look at these. Take a moment. Can you see what I'm seeing? Okay, sorry. I'll show you the unboxing part of the video, and sorry, I don't have any skills with unboxing, so you just have to deal with that. Okay, let's try this unboxing. So over here on the side is the name and style of the shoes, and they are from Prada. Now these I got from the real, so yeah, it's not brand new, although they themselves haven't been worn. They must have been tried on or something like that. So whoa, okay, I'm excited. I'll take this one out and pop it in here. Don't mind the kiwi fruit and the banana. This is real life, okay? I'm not one of those fancy YouTubers. You see random stuff, and a Rubik's Cube over there and an iPad over there. Yeah, so these are the shoes. Wow, okay, these are them. There we are. Okay. Oh yes, and there was a dust bag here and another one there, and I think a little Prada card thingy. I'm not sure what else is in here. That's it, and these are the shoes. Yeah, so you actually see by the time I post the other video, which is like what I wore to church, because I've done the video on the same day, because I wore these. Of course I had to wear them as soon as I got them. Oh, almost dropped them. Of course I had to wear them, so wore them to church this week and wore it with a pretty relaxed jean and crop top look. But yeah, you will see them again in there, but I just wanted to do a dedicated video because tell me these shoes don't deserve that. And I said as soon as I get them, I'll try and do a video for you. So yeah, these shoes I saw on the real well, it might be 2 weeks or a week ago or something like that, and I had to snatch them up. I have the silver Giuseppe's Onoris that are just like a straight, doesn't have this shape. It's not the same kind of shape, but they also sort of crystallized, but they're different enough that when I saw these, I felt like I could be justified in getting them. And just look at this pink, this marvelous pink crystal that's all around, and it's also on the ankle strap as well. And like I said, I love the black base. If you can see that there's a black base in between the crystals. It's not a silver or a white. I just love that it's a black base that makes the pink stand out more. Now, so this shoe, got it from the real, the sticker is still there, and I did wear them even though you can't see, but because it was indoors, it doesn't look like it's been worn. Yeah, and if you can see the Prada, I don't know if that's upside down. Yes, that's upside down. Okay, and now that's the other way. We'll see. So that's the Prada logo, and this is a size 39, made in Italy. Let's start with sizing. So this is size 39. Prada generally, for me, I feel like I have to go up half a size. A lot of the other shoes that I have a shoe in a 39. I have two shoes in a 40, and one fits well in the 40 and one is loose in the 40. And so I knew I probably needed a 39, but I couldn't pass this up, so I just went for it. Now, saying that, these, actually no, let me retract that. Lengthwise, they're fine. They fit fine. For me, and it probably won't relate to most people, I have wide feet. You've heard me say that before. So over here, this open area over here, my feet are squished, and that makes them tight and uncomfortable in that sense. But otherwise, heel is like height is perfectly fine. Length wise, it's a right fit in a size 39. It's just that my feet are too wide. So if I had gone up in half a size or in a full size, I would have been able to fit better in here. I probably would have gone up half a size, not quite into a 40, because I feel like then it'll be too long. Yeah, so very tight on me because of my wide ass feet. So if you have narrow or normal width of feet, these will be fine in your size. So love them like that. And I feel like in terms of where to wear or wear, so I obviously dressed them down today, and I think you can get away with that, jeans and a shirt, or however else you try to dress down clothes, you can do that. And you can also make these into obviously like a fancy event, and a wedding shoe. You'll be very comfortable with this as your wedding shoe, I have to say, if you don't have wide feet. So yeah, just in terms of that wide feet thing, I'm gonna try and just keep wearing them and stretching them out. I think it's only a matter of time because it is leather lining, so it should give a little bit. Yeah, I can't wait until we get to that stage. But yeah, these are absolutely stunning. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Everything else about this shoe is perfect except for my wide ass feet. If my feet, it's the problem is not the shoe, the problem is my feet. Let's say that. So otherwise this shoe is like a 10 out of 10 for comfort, for everything else, for look. It's very unique, and I absolutely love the shape over here. It's a pretty unique shape, and this is quite recognizable as the Prada shoe. Yeah, absolutely love it. And quality, oh, I forgot that. Yeah, that's the other one. Quality is exquisite. It's beautiful. This is a satin in here, and then it's leather lining everywhere else in there. And I think it is it is a black satin underneath. Yeah, and just everything about this is really wonderfully made. No crystals have fallen, and they don't look like they're falling. Even when I've swished my feet in there, I was looking, I think I caused a little bit of creasing, but there were no crystals moving out of place, and they're really in there. So quality is fantastic, look is fantastic. Price wise, I got them secondhand, so I got them, oh, how much would they retail for? Probably like 1,500. I've seen on Vestia Collective, I've seen them for like 1,200 Oz dollars, so probably 800-900 US. And I got them, let's say, for like, I don't know, max, for a quarter of that price. Yeah, like, so I did very well to get them for this. That's, as soon as I saw them on the real for that price, I didn't even think about it. I was like, you know what, it's 39, it's fine. I'll squish my foot in if that's what I have to do, and that is what I'm gonna do. So no regrets whatsoever. Yeah, absolutely love these. Yeah, and I showed some ladies at work, and I was like, I couldn't wait. Please have a look at these wonders. And they all love them as well. So these are the Prada shoes. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. I absolutely love these. I've got to really like rearrange my favorites now, because I keep getting more shoes that I absolutely love. And so I think my favorite list is slowly changing. We'll see how we go. Yeah, so welcome. Welcome, no, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some information in case you were wondering or interested in shoes like this. And I think my recommendation for wide feet, for half a size up, I would give that for all Prada shoes, all Prada heeled shoes. Because with boots, I have a pair of boots that are in a 38, and I could have gone with 38.5, so that's still smaller sizing. So just for heels, I would recommend half a size up for wide feet. But if you have normal or narrow feet, definitely stick to your size. So yeah, ask me any more questions if I've forgotten, because this is my first time doing a shoe review, so I don't know what I'm supposed to answer. Yeah, so if you have any questions that I haven't quite answered, you feel free to ask them in the comment section and I'll answer. All right, thanks. See you next time. Bye.